Good morning to all of you. Once again, I welcome you on the online platform of Captain Gilesing Academy, and today we will do the professions, los profesiones en español, the professions in Spanish. And I hope that you all are good and well. So let's start our today's class. Our today's class is about the professions, how to say the professions in Spanish. Previous class we did the family members, los miembros de mi familia, and again, I am telling you, if you have any doubt, you can contact us, Captain Gilesing Academy, Charkhi Dadri. So let's start our today's class. Los profesiones means the professions. The profession. Los profesiones, the professions. For example, if I want to say I am a doctor, I am a lawyer, I am a teacher, I am a professor, I am a master, I am a carpenter, I am a engineer, then how to say these professions in Spanish? Today we will try to cover all the professions and some little sentences with these professions, using these professions. So first is lawyer, LAWYER. How to say a lawyer? A lawyer in Spanish is abogado. Abogado. Abogado for male. For male lawyer, we have to use abogado. Abogado means male lawyer. And abogada means female lawyer. Abogada means female. For male lawyer, we have to use abogado. For female lawyer, we have to use abogada. Abogado and abogada. Then next is actor. El actor. El is the article. For the masculine, we have to use masculine means in Spanish the male, and feminine means the female, which represent the female. That means masculine represent female means feminine. So el actor means male actor. 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 Actor means actor. Actor means actor. For female, la actora means female actor. Or you can say actress. ACTRIZ. Actress. Actor is actor. Actora is actress. Then next is artista means artist. Artisto is artist. Male artist and female artist. Again, we have to use the article el. El artisto. Artisto. Artisto means the male actor. Male artist. Artisto is male artist. Then female, we have to use la. La artista means female. Female artist. For male artist, we have to use artisto. For female artist, we have to use artista. Artisto, male. Artista, female. Arquiteco. Next is arquiteco. We are doing with alphabet. First we did abogado means lawyer, male lawyer. Abogada, female lawyer. Then actor, actor, and actora, actress. Then artisto is artist, male artist, and artista is female artist. Then next is arquiteco. El arquiteco. Arquiteco means architect. architecto means architect. Architecto. Archi architect. 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 Tect. Sorry. So for male architect we have to use L, architecto, and for female we have to use la. La architeca. Architeca means female architect. This is for male. L mostly we have to use, or L is representing male, la representing female. So la actor, la artista, la arquitecta means female artist, actress, or female architect. Then next is autor. El autor. El autor means author. Autor. Author means author. Author means male author. For the male we have to use autor. El autor. And for female author we have to use la autora. Means female author. La autora. Female author. Male we have to use autor. For female we have to use autora. Then next is A. All we covered. Once again we will do a quick reason of all the professions starting with the alphabet A. First is abogado, abogado and abogada. Lawyer, male lawyer and female lawyer. That is lawyer. Then next is artisto, artist, male artist and artista means female artist. Then next is arquitecto means male. Arquitecto means male architect and arquitecta means female architect. Architecta, architect. Architect. Architect, male and female. Architect. Male and female. Then next is artista or artista done. Then autor. Autor is for male and autora is female means author. Male and female author. One is left, that is artista done, abogado done, arquitecto done, autor done, and actor. Yes, actor is male actor and actora means actress, female. So all these professions starting with A. All these professions starting with the alphabet A. Abogado, abogada, artisto, artista, arquitecto, arquiteca, autor, autora, actor y actora. Now move to the alphabet B. B is bombero and bombera means fireman. Bombero. Bombero. Bombero means fireman. And bombera means firewoman. Bombera, fire or you can say bombero we have to use for male and bombera we have to use for female. Bombero and bombera with the alphabet B, only this we have bombero and bombera. Now next is C, cantero means bartender and cantera, cantero, C, Cantero, cantero means tender, bartender. Cantero means the one who serve for or one who give the service in canteen, or you can say in bar or in any drink shop. So cantero means bartender, and cantero is for male. El cantero y la cantera. Cantera means female. Cantero y cantera, male or female. Cantero, cantera. Next is carpintor means carpenter. Next is L. Next one is L, carpentor. L, carpentor means male carpenter. Carpentor. Carpenter. For male we have to use carpentor, and for female we have to use la carpentora means female carpenter, or for women we have to use for male and for female carpentora means L for the male, la for the female. El carpentor means male carpenter and la carpentora means female carpenter. And next is cientifico. For C, next is cientifico. Cientifico. El cientifico means male scientist. El cientifico. Cientifico means scientist. SCIENTIST. El cientifico means the male scientist. Then for female we have to use la científica. La científica means female scientist. For male we have to use cientifico, and for female we have to use científica. Cientifico y científica. Then next is cirujano means surgeon. Cirujano. J is pronounced as K. L, cirujano. Cirujano means surgeon, male surgeon, male surgeon. And for female we have to use cirujana. La cirujana means female. Cirujana means female, for female surgeon. As for male we have to use cirujano, male surgeon, and for female we have to use cirujana means female surgeon. Next is contador. Contador means accountant. L, contador means accountant. Contador means accountant, male accountant. El contador is male accountant. For example, mi hermano es el contador. My brother is a accountant. Mi hermano es el contador. My brother is a accountant. Then la contadora means female accountant. La contadora. L is for male and la is for female. L we have to use for male and la we have to use for female. Then next is Cicinero. Sorry, cocinero, not Cicinero. Next is L. Cocinero means cook. Cocinero means cook. COOCK. And la cocinera means female cook. La cocinera. Cocinera means female. That is for male, and cocinera is for female cook. For example, él es un cocinero. He is a cook in un hotel. In a hotel. Él es un cocinera. Or ella means she es una cocinera en un café. She is a cook in a cafe. Cafe is cafe. So all these professions are starting by or with the alphabet C. Let's do again the professions starting with C. First is cantinero means bartender. Cantinero. With C first is cantinero or cantinera. Bartender, or you can say the one who serve in the hotel or in the especially in the drink shops. So bartender, cantinero or cantinera. Then next is carpintor. Carpintor for male and carpintora. Carpintora for female means carpenter. Male and female. One side first I am writing male and then in after slash I am writing female. Male and female. Carpintor is male carpenter and carpintora is female carpenter. Next is científico. Científico means male scientist and científica female scientist. SCIENTIST. Científico y científica. For example, in a sentence, my brother is a scientist, or my sister is a scientist, or my father is a scientist. Mi padre es un científico. My father is a scientist. Mi madre es un científica means my mother is a scientist. Mi hermano es un científico. My brother is a scientist. Mi hermana es un científica. My sister is a scientist. Then cirujano y cirujana means surgeon. Cirujano for male and cirujana for female. Surgeon. SURGEN. Ella es una cirujana. She is a surgeon. Ella es una cirujana means she is a surgeon. Mi hermano es un cirujano. My brother is a surgeon. Cirujano male, cirujana female. CIR, it is U. Cirujano, cirujano y cirujana. Then contador. Contador Contador means accountant. Contador is accountant for male and contadora is for female accountant. Accountant. Male accountant we have to use contador, and for female accountant we have to use contadora. For example, mi tío es un contador. My uncle is a accountant. My father is a accountant. Mi padre es un contador. For male we have to use contador. For female we have to use contadora. All these professions are starting with the alphabet C. Cantinero, cantinera, carpintor, carpintora, carpenter, científico, male scientist, científica, female scientist, cirujano and cirujana, male surgeon and female surgeon, contador y contadora, male accountant and female accountant, cocinero, one more is left, cocinero. Cocinero. Cocinero means male cook and cocinera for female. Cocinero means male and cocinera means female. So all these are the professions starting with the alphabet C. Cocinero y cocinera. Male cook or female cook. Female cook. Cocinero y cocinera. Now we will move to the next alphabet. Next is D. The professions starting with the alphabet D. For example, first is dentisto or dentista, dentist. This is exceptional case, dentista. This profession is used for both male and female. Dentisto is used for both male and female. Dentisto means dentist. Dentist for both male and female we have to use only this. Dentista means dentist, both male and female. Dentist. Then next is doctor. Doctor. Doctor is for male doctor and doctora is for female doctor. Doctora for female. Male doctor and female doctor. Doctor y doctora. For example, mi suegro es un doctor means my cousin or my nephew is a doctor. Mi esposa es un doctora means my wife is a doctor. Esposa means wife. Mi padre es un doctor. My father is a doctor. Mi madre es una doctora. My mother is a doctor. So these two professions are starting with the alphabet D. Next is E. With E we have enfermero. First is enfermero. Enfermero O means nurse, N-U-R-S-E, or enfermera for female. Commonly it is used for female only, but now some male also is doing with this profession or the work of a nurse, so we have to call them enfermero, or for female we have to enfermera. Enfermero y enfermera, enfermera means male and female nurse. Then next is farmaceutico means pharmacist. Next alphabet is F. With F we have farmaceutico means pharmacist, male pharmacist, and farmaceutica, farmaceutico means male pharmacist, and for female we have to use farmaceutica, farmaceutica means for female, farmaceutico or tica for female pharmacist. For male we have to use farmaceutico, and for female we have to use farmaceutica. Then next alphabet is G and then I. With the I we have ingeniero. Ingeniero means engineer. Ingeniero means engineer, male engineer. Male engineer. Then for female, ingeniera. For female engineer. Ingeniera means female engineer. For male we have to use ingeniero, and for female we have to use ingeniera means male engineer and female engineer. Then next is jardinero. Jardinero means gardener. J. Jardinero means gardener. Jardinero, the one who works as or who work in a garden for the protection of the plants or for the trees or for the garden, for the grass. Then jardinero is for male gardener. Jardinero is male gardener. Jardinero. Then jardinera for female. Jardinera means female gardener. Male is jardinero and female is jardinera, female gardener. Male and female. Then next is common, for example, professor. With P alphabet, professor means professor. Professor is professor. Male professor, and professora, female. Professora means female professor. Professora means female. For male professor we have to use professor, and for female professor we have to use professora. Professor y profesora. Then next is plomero. Plomero is plumber. Plomero. Plomero we have to use for male. Plomero means plumber. Plomero is plumber and male plumber, and then plomera for female. Plomera is for female plumber. Male is plomero and female is plomera. Next is secretario. Secretario is secretary. Secretario is secretary. With the alphabet S we have secretario means male secretary. And for female we have to use secretaria. Secretaria means female secretary. Secretaria male for secretario, and for female we have to use secretaria means female secretary. Male secretary we have to use secretario, and female we have to use secretaria. Next is with the M. We forgot M is maestro. Maestro is master. For male we have to use maestro means master, and for female we have to use maestra. Maestro means master and maestra is ma'am, or you can say madam. Maestra means madam, master or madam. School teacher you can say. In the school we have to use this vocabulary. Maestro y maestra. So all these are the professions in Spanish. How to pronounce these professions we did today, and in this lecture once again I am doing the revision. Abogado, lawyer. Abogada, female lawyer. Actor, male. Actora, female, actress. Then artisto, male artist. Artista, female artist. Arquiteco, male architect. Arquiteca, female architect. Then author, male author, and autora, female. Bombero for male fireman and bombera, female. Cantinero, bartender for male, and cantinera, bartender, female. Carpintor, male carpenter, and carpintora, female carpenter. Científico, male scientist. Científica, female scientist. Cirujano, male surgeon. Cirujana, female surgeon. Contador, male accountant. Contadora, female accountant. Pintor, male painter. Pintora, female painter. Cocinero, male cook, and cocinera, female cook. Dentista is common, and also one more profession, policia. This is also a common for the both male and female, means police. Policia, male or female, both we have to use policia means police, and politico also. Politico means male politician, and politica, female. Politico means male politician. Politico and politica, female. Male politician, politico. Female politician, politica. Next is farmaceutico, means pharmacist, male pharmacist, farmaceutico. And for female, we have to use pharmaceutica, female pharmacist. Ingeniero means engineer, male engineer, ingeniero. For female, we have to use ingeniera, ingeniera. Next is jardinero. Jardinero means male gardener, male gardener, and for female, jardinera, female gardener. Secretario, male secretary, secretaria, female secretary. Professor for male professor, professora for female professor. Maestro is for master, maestra is madam. Plomero is plumber for male plumber, plomero, and plomera is for female plumber. Politico is for male politician and politica female politician. What else left? Dentista, yes, dentista is common for both. Dentista for male and female, both dentist and policia. They two professions which are common for both male and female. Policia y dentista means male and female both. We have to use dentista and policia. So all these are the professions in Spanish, how to do the pronunciation and how to write the professions in Spanish. With these professions, we can make small sentences. For example, my brother is a doctor. Mi hermano es un doctor. My sister is an engineer. Mi hermana es una ingeniera. My father is a author. Mi padre es un autor. Mi madre es un autora. Yo soy un profesor means I am a professor. Yo soy un profesor. I am a professor. And for female, yo soy una profesora means I am a professor. And female, we have to use profesora. So all these are the professions in Spanish, how to use and how to pronounce the profession in Spanish we did in today's class. And if you have any doubt, again I am telling you, you can contact us at Captain Jile Singh Academy, Charkhi Dadri. Till then, do the revision. If you have any doubt, call us or contact us or message us. We will be here to help you out. And till then, do the revision. Next class, we will do maybe the two very common verbs are there in Spanish, ser and estar. We will do the revision and how to use the, or we will start with the use of ser and estar. And first, we will also do the personal pronouns, how to use the personal pronouns in Spanish. For example, I, you, he, she, we all, you all, and they all. These are some personal pronouns. And after that, we will do the conjugation and the use of verb ser and estar, where we have to use the verb ser and where we have to use the verb estar. Or before that also we will do the article el or la for both masculino and feminino, and also how to identify a word, is it masculine or feminine, means it's referred to which gender, male or female. All we will do in next 2 or 3 classes. Till then, do the revision and have a nice day. Thank you.